Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please also check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language classes we offer. As I know I've mentioned before, I'm a big football fan, and because of where I'm from, I support Arsenal and England. And maybe, like many of you out there, I've been enjoying the Euros massively over the last few days. I've always felt it's a bit like Christmas because you get a month of wall-to-wall football. However, the other day during the Denmark Finland game, like the rest of the sports viewing world, I watched in horror as the Danish player Christian Eriksen suddenly collapsed in the middle of the ground, in the middle of the match. It became clear very quickly that this was something really serious. The players looked shocked and stunned. Some of them were visibly crying. Some of them were praying. The players formed a protective ring around the player to stop TV cameras from intruding upon a terrible situation. The medics rushed onto the pitch and were visibly resuscitating him, which suggested he'd had some kind of a heart attack. And to be honest, for a good few minutes there, I honestly thought he was a goner. If you say that you thought someone was a goner, it means you thought that they were gonna die. You thought that they were doomed, that they couldn't be saved. It's often used when we're telling stories about near misses, about close shaves. For example, you might say something like, "Oh God, when I saw that car coming round the corner heading towards us, I honestly thought we were all goners." Luckily for Christian Eriksen, he's managed to pull through. He's upright in hospital, he's smiling apparently, and it looks like he's going to be okay, though whether or not he'll ever play football again remains to be seen. Here's wishing him a speedy recovery, and come on England! If you have enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. In the comments section below, we'd love to hear stories about any time you thought you were a goner or you thought someone else was a goner. And remember that if you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us